Welcome to Talk and Drink. Miss Sam in the house. I know it's been a while, but there's been so much going on lately. Anyway, if it's your first time here, I hope you do go over to my YouTube channel at MSC TV Network and subscribe and watch some of our wonderful content. We have everything there. We have movies, talk shows, blogs, comedies, models, music, the whole shebang. Plays, I'm telling you. We are 30 countries strong, and lately we've put out a play from Jamaica called The Orphanage, which consists of our youth team, and they've done a marvelous job. So go and watch it because they've done such a good job that I want part two. So the orphanage, well, can't get my words out right. Cheers. Oh, you can tell that the liquor's getting to me already. There's going to be a part two, which will be out this summer. We also have a heartfelt movie from our German team. And it's a wonderful, wonderful storyline, which is called Hard Times. And, I can empathize with that because right now, because of COVID, people becoming homeless, losing their jobs, everybody's stressed out, not a lot of funds. We all going through hard times, including myself, but the devil is a liar. I said the devil is a liar. God is in control. But sometimes when you go through the struggles, you get time to reflect on who you really are, which in return bring out the best inner excellence that you have within you. The most important thing is when you start the race of life is never to quit. You have to cross that finish line. And that's what I want to talk about. Some of my talk and drink, it depends on what frame of mind I'm in. You'll get a laugh, you'll get jokes. You might even end up crying, or I might do a little bit of life coaching. It all depends. But I'm going to knock down this drink and we'll see what you get tonight. Cheers. Even if you don't drink alcohol, please make some tea, hot chocolate, whatever, and join in the conversation. I'd like to hear from you, Right now, I am drinking some champagne. Just had it chilled in the fridge all day long, cooks. And champagne actually is my favorite drink, but it all depends on what kind of champagne it is. It doesn't mean the more expensive the champagne is, the better it is, because some of them just taste nasty. But I like a champagne that has brut. It has all that bubble in it, but it's stronger. Yeah, so I'm gonna knock it back. Well, at least try to knock back half. Well, it's Mother's Day weekend. So I think it's important for me to dedicate this talk and drink for all the mothers out there, whether you've had children or whether you've raised children, because some people cannot conceive to have children, but that doesn't stop them being a mother to many children. You understand? So big up yourself to all functioning mothers. I want to big up my mom first. Yeah. Early Laban, big up your damn self. That woman, I tell you, is a survivor. Sometimes when she tells me her story, tears come to my eyes. I had to kind of keep it real with my mom in the last few days because she was born in the Caribbean, in Jamaica. And, Caribbean women are very strong women, and they work very hard just to make sure that their children have. Big up yourself, mommy. Love you so much. I tell you, I respect the dirt that woman walks on. And, my mom hasn't been well for quite a while, and she had a stroke quite a while now, and then other complications, and she had stopped walking and couldn't do anything much for herself. And I'm the youngest of 6, and I'm proud to say, not bigging up myself, but I'm going to keep it real, because that's what Talk and Drink is about. It's about reality and keeping things real. Hello. Let me put on my glasses to see who's Ricardo's watching. Hi, Ricardo. Big up yourself. Thank you for tuning in to Talk and Drink. So as I was saying, my mom hasn't been keeping the best of health, and she stopped walking. And, you know, I've had to take care of my mom, which has increased my tolerance, my patience, my commitment, my love, and it has kept me humble, you know, because life is so fragile, people, and you only have one mother. And some of you have lost your mother. I'm still fortunate, even though my mom hasn't been keeping great health, that she's still here. I can still learn from her. I can still love her and nurture her, you know, because believe me, the elderly have a lot to teach us. They are very wise in a lot of things, and we can learn from them. So I just want people to know, look after your parents. Look after your parents, because God will bless you. No matter how hard it seems, and believe me, I've been going through it, but I know that there's a God, and He's merciful, and whatever I do will come back to me. If I'm good to my mom, out of the 5 children that I have, at least one will turn around and say, you know what? Mom used to look after grandma, you know? And she done right by her grandma. We need to stand by our mother, our parents. So, children, don't be selfish, because, let me hit the drink, because I'm going to turn to the left. No. One mother can have 6 children, and it's only 1 out of the 6 that give a damn. You understand what I'm saying? That really gives a damn. Yeah, it's true. Because some children can't be bothered to look after their parent. They will come and spy to see if you're doing what you're supposed to. Kiss me off. I don't need nobody coming down here to spy on me. Take that shit somewhere else. It's just a warm-up. It's just a warm-up. Drink. Cheers. So, children, do right by your mothers. It's Mother's Day. Make sure you bring her some flowers. Buy her a little perfume. Buy her a nice card. Put some money in the envelope and bless your mother. Okay? I don't even care if you and your mom has had some disagreement or anything. Tomorrow is a special day. You understand what I mean? And it represents love, compassion, and giving to the woman that has given you life, that carried you for 9 months. Show her some appreciation and let her know that you love her. You don't want to be giving your mom flowers when she's dead. You want to give your mom flowers while she's alive. Because it was different in those days. My mom tell me some stories. Listen, when my mother left Jamaica and went to England in the 60s, and then, you know, it was so cold. So imagine you coming from a tropical country to come from some dirty, cold country, England, in the 60s. England was dirty. You understand? And to work hard doing factory work, sewing work, hospital work wasn't easy. And our mothers made sacrifices for us so we could have and send money back to the Caribbean. And then after a few years, bring you up from Jamaica and make sure you got your education that you could turn into SMADdy. And for those who don't understand what SMADdy mean, you could turn into somebody professional. Don't forget where you're coming from, children. Don't forget that your parents have made it possible for you to have a better life that they didn't have. Cheers. Big up yourself. Make sure you share this video with everybody. Make sure. And I'm asking everybody to go on my YouTube and subscribe at MSE TV Network and watch some of our movies. We have movies from Jamaica, we have movies from Germany, we have movies from the US, we have movies from Trinidad, we have movies from Africa. We have plenty of content. If you want a good laugh, one of the characters that I play in comedy, because I started MSC TV with comedy, is Pinky. And you have Storm. You understand what I mean? And you have Miss Sam. And you have Miss Trini. There's loads of characters that I play. So if you want a good laugh, go over to MSE TV Network and subscribe on YouTube. Also, follow us on Instagram. If you go on Instagram, there's over 2,000 posts of different movies, contents, music. We have music artists, and I want to talk a little bit about that. In 2022, in February, we're going to kick off with Spitting Bars 2. We've already done Spitting Bars 1 with different music artists all over the world. And that went pretty well. We have 12 episodes. Right. For Spitting Bars 2, we're going to switch it up a little bit. It's going to be more for competition. And I'm going to have people watch and vote for who they think the best artist is. And based on that, the winner will get money. They'll be in our MSE TV Network magazine, because we're going to have a magazine, online magazine soon. Yes, with all our models, and we'll mention all our music artists. So, and they'll get a video shoot free as well. So I'm looking forward to Spitting Bars 2, because MSC TV have some wicked music artists all around the world. And I'm very proud of MSC TV Network. We have our ups and downs, baby, but let me tell you something. We keep it jiggy and we keep it moving, because we are one of the best entertainment performing arts globally. And we have expanded. We have HQs all around the world. So I'm very proud. It has not been an easy journey, but let me tell you, anything that is good and worth something does not fall in your lap. You have to work for it. Big up your damn self. Big up to all the mothers all around the world. Thank you for checking in with MSC TV Network. Miss Sam is your host. Hi, Eric. I haven't spoken to you in a long time. I hope everything is all right. I hope you have a drink there. You know, make sure you got a glass and you're going to drink with your girl, Miss Sam. Yeah, yeah. Oh, lovely. Some Eric. Yeah, yeah. Eric used to live in Holland. Yeah. And he's here. Very good friend. Very good friend of mine. Matter of fact, I fancied him one time. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, yeah. I know he's smiling right now. Yeah, big up yourself, Eric. Friend for life. I hope everything is okay with you. During this COVID time, I know it has not been easy, and it's just going on and on. I want to talk a little bit about the vaccine. I personally, I'm not telling nobody not to get the vaccine, but I know they have not tested that vaccine long enough. And I know there's been a lot of side effects. And I know that, let me tell you something. I've had even family members, I've had friends that didn't have the COVID and they go and take the vaccine, and guess what? COVID is all up their arse now, and they got sick. So it makes me think, is it worth it taking the vaccine? I don't know, and it manipulates your DNA. Listen, my DNA is extraordinary, and I definitely don't want no fucking COVID vaccine to change up who I am. I've got God's DNA. I don't need Satan's DNA in the mix with it. You understand what I mean? I don't trust the vaccine. I don't trust it. I'm just saying. Drink up. Cheers. Let me knock this back. Feeling good now. I do not trust the vaccine, but that is my personal belief. For all of those who want to go take the Pfizer, the Moderna, or the Johnson & Johnson that's killing off people, go ahead. Do you? I'm doing me. I'm not taking a fucking vaccine. They're going to have to hold a bullet to my head for me to take the vaccine, and even then they would have to kill me. It's not of God. It's not of God. And you know what? Sometimes I usually take the flu shot, to be quite honest. I'm not taking it this year. I'm not trusting it. Because they might say, yeah, that it's the flu vaccine, and they might sneak some fucking COVID in there somewhere. So you know what? I have to wear a mask anyway. So what's the sense? I'm not taking the flu vaccine. Shove it up your ass. I'm not going to take the COVID vaccine. Shove it up your ass again. Not doing it. I want to send out some big shout out to a lot of people that has been holding MSC TV network down. I want to big up all my HR team. Yes, people, we're very professional now. We have a global HR team with different branches around the world, and they have been promoting and they have been structuring all the teams that do movies and different things for us. So, HR, thank you for dealing with me and all my madness and everything and having my back and all of that. I want to send out a big shout out to Mishka, known as Kabibi in the music world. She has a hot new single called Slippery When Wet. Let me tell you something. I think on the last Talk and Drink, we were so drunk and we were singing it. It's very explicit, rated R, you know, and I just love that song, even though it's a little bit nasty. Well, it's very nasty, but if you want to check out a little video on Slippery and Wet, go to MSC TV Network. It's right near the top, Kabibi. It's a very catchy song. You know what I mean? I want to send out a big shout out to my husband. No, I have more than one husband. Hey, let me tell you the story. Cheers. I don't care. I have more than one husband. If men can have more than one wife, why can't we women have more than one husband? So, you know, I have a husband here in the United States, but he's a cheater. He's a cheater. Cheers to that too. I'm glad that he cheated on me, because now I'm cheating on him. Well, I'm not cheating on him. I just tell him, Leo, you've been cheating on me, so guess what? I got me a new boo. I got me a new husband. He's all the way in Ghana, in Africa. I've tried the Jamaican. It doesn't work. I have tried the British white man. It doesn't work. I have tried the American Yankee man. It doesn't work. So, why not try an African? Why not? I have my ancestors behind me. This one has to work. I got me a toy boy. Cheers. Stella got a groove on. You know, I'm feeling nice now. Oh, this damn champagne is good. Ooh. Drink up. Drink up. I don't like drinking by myself. Drink up. Eric, I hope you are drinking. Ricardo, I hope you are drinking. Look at all these men supporting me. Mwah. Miss Sam loves you. Yes, I have me a toy boy, spiritual husband in Ghana. He's a music artist. His name is Vank. You need to check out some of his music. His voice just turned me on and on and on to the break of dawn, let me tell you. Anyway, anyhow, I hope you guys have had a good week. I hope you're staying positive and blessed. I pray God's blessing over you and your family. Yes. Now, getting back to MSC TV Network, we've got a lot going on right now. We are going to get back in the swing of things. We're going to do more talk shows. I actually have a world global news broadcast show coming out very soon. It should be out by next week. It should have been out this weekend, really, but because it's Mother's Day weekend, I decided to just give all my attention to my mother. So, but look out for it by next weekend on YouTube at MSC TV Network, where I'm going to be making weekly news report on what's happening in society and around the world. And we're going to keep it real, because some things they don't report on, which they should. Well, MSC TV Network is going to pick up the slack on that. Yeah, so I think you will like it. Also, I'm going to be doing another brainstorm mental health behavioral talk show, going over diagnosis and mental health and how it affects everyone, especially during this COVID time. So look out for that. This summer, we're going to have a women's talk show called XL for the older women over 40. And it's going to be about, you know, what they go through, different things and situation as mature women. And it's called Exhale. That's going to star Brooke Harris. She's going to be the main host. And she will have some other people with her, like Shawanda Jones and hopefully Jamila. So we'll see. And I'll make guest appearance. Now, there's another woman show that I love that's kicking ass right now. It's called Woman to Woman. And even though it's a woman show, we do have men as co-hosts, giving their point of view on certain subjects. We have 4 shows already on Woman to Woman, 4 episodes. You need to go check it out at MSD TV Network. I quite enjoy that. And we're also going to have another talk show called Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. And it's going to be all about relationships. And it's going to be based on the men perspective versus the women perspective. So I can't wait for that. MSC TV Network is just gone in such a different direction right now, and we want to bring content that people will watch, that people will enjoy, and also content that maybe somebody else is not doing, and it can elevate you on a different level in a different realm. So I'm very proud. As many of you know, I started about in 2016 just doing comedies, crazy comedies, different skits from my bathroom, to now producing, being a global producer, doing movies, writing scripts. We're doing blogs and TV shows and music and everything. We're just gone across the line. We are now a global performing arts center. So show your love by going over to MSC TV Network and subscribe and share with your friends. You know, share with your friends. Just don't keep all of that content to yourself. I just want to encourage people tonight, because I was down about 2 weeks ago, because it's not easy being the producer, being the manager of MSC TV network, there are a lot of challenges, especially financial, when you're doing everything yourself. But God always make a way. And I just want to say, God, thank you, because sometimes I get downhearted and everything like that. But God, you are God. You're my God. And you always make a way out of no way. And you will continue to do that. That I'll be able to help people put food on their table. It's not about me. When I started MSC TV Network, to be quite honest, I wanted fame, I wanted riches and all that. But over the time, God humbled me and showed me, Sam, I just want you to make a positive contribution within society and change the life of those individuals that didn't have any hope. Even though they had talent, they didn't have anybody to back them. I want to raise you up to support these people, to support my children. So let me tell you something. How God is going to bless me, how God is going to bless you when you take the focus from yourself and give it to others. Don't be selfish with your blessings. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't be selfish with your blessings. The more you give to others, no matter how hard it seems, and sometimes you feel depleted, God has something better for you. You have to walk on the water. I'm here tonight to tell somebody that wants to quit and give up like my bloody self. You can't quit. The Holy Spirit said to me, listen, Samantha, you have to cross the finish line. If I did not think that you could do this, I wouldn't give you the mission to do it. I have handpicked you and selected you to do great things because you are a warrior and you are an individual of the people. So girl, don't bother with the pity party. Get on with it because you was born for this person, or you was born, sorry. You was born for this purpose. You understand what I mean? Champagne is good though. Drink. So come on, people. Let's see who. I have to put my glasses. I got to see who else is coming. Mohammed. Oh, thank you, darling. All the men are following me tonight. What is it? Is it the silver hair? I don't know. Don't quit. Don't give up. God has a purpose for you. No matter how hard it seems like. And listen, let me keep it real with you. It's like a woman carrying a child, and by the third semester she feel like, oh, I'm over it. And when she's in labor, some of you are in labor spiritually right now, and God is about to elevate you. Yeah? Like myself, God is about to elevate me. I'm telling you, that's why sometimes you get a fight. Don't quit. I'm telling you, I'm a mother of 5 children. And when you push out those children, you feel like giving up before the last push. You feel like you just can't push that baby out. But you have to push, because if you don't push, the baby is going to die. Don't abort your baby of success. Does that make any sense to you? You can't quit. You cannot quit. You have to push. Some of you might be going through financial struggle. Some of you might be going through a difficult marriage. Some of you might not have no job. Some of you might feel isolated. Some of you might have a business that you don't see that it's working. You cannot quit. I'm here to tell you tonight, you have to cross the finish line. You do not have an option. If you quit now, then what is your future going to be like? It's going to be very depleted and you're going to be lost. You have to take all your inner excellence and strength and reposition yourself. I know what I'm talking about. You know why? Because I've been going through it. You understand what I'm saying? And I can be bold enough to share that. It's not everything is glitter and gold with Miss Sam all the time. You understand? I had a knockback about 2 weeks ago. You wouldn't even want to know. But I cannot quit, because if I quit, what happens to MSC TV network? What happened to all my employees? What happened to all my actors and actresses? What happened to all my fans? What happened? I'm global. I am accountable to God. And I don't want to stand before God on Judgment Day and he said, you know what? I gave you an assignment to do and you failed. Because you know what? One of my movies might change somebody's perspective. One of my mental health shows might stop somebody from committing suicide. One of my talk shows will help to elevate somebody. One of my comedies might heal somebody's spirit. I'm accountable to God. I'm not accountable to man. So therefore, I have to cross the finish line. And I'm saying to somebody tonight, you've got to cross the finish line, baby, because the world is dependent on you. The world is in chaos right now. I hope everybody got a drink. I don't like drinking by myself now. Cheers to all the handsome men that are watching my talk and drink tonight. Cheers, Eric. Cheers, Mohammed. And God, sometimes I'm blind without my glasses. And cheers, Ricardo. Ricardo. You see how that just come off my tongue? Ricardo. Bring up your damn self, Ricardo. To all the men out there, I hope you are treating your mother well tomorrow. I hope you're bringing her some flowers, a gift, and tell your mother that you love her. Cheers. Big up yourself to all the mothers all around the world. And you know it's not easy being a mother. I could tell you some stories. I'm glad my children have grown up. There's only one that I got at home right now, and that's Royal, which is one of my actors. Check him out in Poison Ivory with Brooke Harris. You got to watch that movie. Poison Ivy at MSC TV Network. Royal is in there. He done a fantastic job. He also was in the Black Mob Enterprise, where I play a twin. That was one of our first movies, but it's still one of my favorites up till now, where I played a godmother, gangster godmother. I tell you, I'm just really proud of everybody right now. I'm just praying that everybody stays safe, stay healthy, stay well. And I hope everybody is drinking. You need to have some fun with all what's going on in the world. Anyway, that's it for tonight. I said my two-piece. And I'm glad for everybody that tuned in. And I want everybody that has a Facebook or an Instagram to share this video on your Facebook. I'd greatly appreciate it, and get the word out about MSC TV Network, because we are a global network that is for the people. All right? Until next time, take care. God bless. And remember, you have to cross the finish line. Cheers. Mwah. Love you guys.